Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So these are the ingredients for a dark forest chocolate cake. You can see our flour, sugar, our eggs, our I said dark forest, our cocoa powder, baking soda, vegetable oil, and Nescafé. That's Nescafé to give it its taste. So all our ingredients will be written in the description, so just check them, okay? All right, let's get into the baking action. After sifting your flour, of course you're going to add your baking soda to the bowl of flour, and give that a quick turn. Now you're trying to mix your ingredients together properly. After that, you add your sugar into your bowl of flour and baking soda. As you can see, now you're going to turn. Give that a quick turn. You know the reason why we are doing this now, so that everywhere can be even, have an even taste. And that's our cocoa powder. Just add our cocoa powder into the bowl where we have our flour, sugar, and baking soda at this point. Now it's becoming a lot stiffer, so you have to, use a lot of energy to turn and turn and turn. So get ready. This is what it's supposed to look like, Now everything has come together. Everything has come together, so that's the result. Now we'll be adding our flavoring to our eggs. As you can see, then you give that a quick beat. So I didn't want the egg to pour on the table, so that is why I was just doing this over the bowl like this. So you just put that into your bowl and stir. Actually, not stir, turn. Then remember that this is a dessert cake. We'll be adding our vegetable oil. Please note that you're not going to use a vegetable oil that has been used to fry. You're getting a fresh vegetable oil. Now you're going to turn once again. You already know why we do this process. Now after giving that a very good turn, you can see how it looks. Then we add our Nescafé into our water. All information will be put in the description below. So stir and stir and stir, and add to our mixture and give it a turn. Give it a good turn. Now the final thing we'll be adding to our mix is our buttermilk. It's also called the sour milk. Now in another video I will teach you how to make this. It's no biggie at all. It's a very easy and simple process. So you are going to turn and turn. Remember, this is a dessert cake, so it takes longer to bake in the oven because it's more fluid than our sponge cake. Now this is what it's supposed to get. Now guys, you're going to butter your cream and also dust with flour. While editing this video, I realized I didn't take a final video of our beautiful cake, but I made a cupcake as well. So this is what it looks like. I made red velvet and dark forest cupcake. Thanks for watching, guys.